Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable the SafeSearch filter on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select on the left side versus Privacy and Security. Go ahead and left click on that. And you want to go on the right side underneath where it says Search Permissions. Go ahead and select that. And now SafeSearch. In Windows Search, web previews will not automatically load web results if they may contain adult content. If you choose to preview web results, we'll apply the following setting. So this is where you can make your adjustments. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.